Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset customer touchpoints with SendGrid easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset customer touchpoints with SendGrid, start by logging into your SendGrid account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the marketing section on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Customer Engagement within the marketing section. You will see a list of your current customer touchpoints. To reset a touchpoint, select the one you wish to modify. Click on the Edit button next to the selected touchpoint. Review the settings for the touchpoint to understand its current configuration. Make necessary adjustments to the contact list, templates, or timing as needed. If you want to add new touchpoints, click on the Add Touchpoint button. Follow the prompts to create a new touchpoint tailored to your strategy. Ensure to personalize your messages to enhance customer engagement. After making all the adjustments, click Save Changes to apply the modifications. Preview your touchpoints to ensure they appear as expected. Once happy with the changes, exit the editing mode. Monitor your customer engagement metrics over the coming weeks. Adjust and refine your touchpoints based on the feedback and analytics you gather. This complete process will help you reset and optimize your customer touchpoints effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.